In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses in Google Forms. If you've collected a test entry, spotted a duplicate, or received something that shouldn't be in your results, removing a single submission is quick and safe when you know where to look. You'll need edit access to the form to do this. Keep in mind that deleting a response from Google Forms is permanent in the form itself. First, open your Google form in the editor view, the same place where you build and edit questions. At the top of the form, you'll see tabs labeled Questions, Responses, and Settings. We'll work in the Responses area. Click the Responses tab to switch from building mode to results mode. Here, Forms organizes your data in three views: Summary, which shows charts and overall counts; Question, which groups answers by each question; and Individual, which lets you review one submission at a time. Since we're deleting a specific submission, we'll use the Individual view. Select the Individual view. You'll now see a single response on screen, along with navigation arrows or a drop-down to move through entries. At the top, Google Forms displays the response number and usually a timestamp, which is helpful for confirming you're looking at the correct submission. Take a moment to scan the answers to ensure this is the one you intend to remove. If it isn't, use the arrows or the response selector to navigate to the right entry. Once you've located the exact response you want to remove, look for the Delete Response option on this page. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a trash can icon or as a button labeled Delete Response. Click it. Google Forms will prompt you to confirm, so read the message carefully. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. The selected submission will be removed from your form's response set immediately, and your summary charts and counts will update to reflect the change. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you work. Deleting a response in the form does not remove any copies that may already exist in a linked Google Sheets spreadsheet. If you've connected the form to a sheet, manage that data separately according to your spreadsheet workflow. Also, consider exporting your results or taking a quick backup before making irreversible changes, especially if you're cleaning up multiple entries over time. That's all there is to it. Open your form, go to Responses, switch to Individual, find the submission you want, and delete it with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy form managing.